Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our beautiful Getty double full arch door today. Hi everyone, we're on our 72 by 96 Getty full arch door today. Now 72 inches measures from outside of the frame to outside of the frame, and then 96 inches from the top peak of the frame to the bottom of the threshold is 96 inches. This is a pretty new door. It's December of 2019. It's pretty much an Air 5 design that we have with a high kick plate. So this is what we got a lot of requests, so we decided to make this door actually. And you can also, on the Air 5, it eliminates this kick plate, so it goes all the way down, which is more pieces of light that go down. This is a true divide door. What that means is this is actually 6 pieces of glass individually cut and put into the space. These are not, it's not one piece of glass with these bars stuck on it, okay? This is a true divide door. These are all 5/8 tempered. This one's low E, which is clear glass that we put on these doors. These doors do come in different glass types if you like, on special order. This is a black door. You can also get this door in different colors if you like. This is a right-hand in-swing, so which means it's locked from the other side. So this is a right-hand in-swing door, which means this door opens first inside to the wall, to the inside right wall. If it was a left-hand swing, this door will open inside to the left-hand side of the wall. Kick plate design, we actually duplicated this on the interior side of it also. Guys, these are all handmade doors, okay? So you will have little tiny imperfections here and there, just from grinders and welding, and things warp, and try to fix it, but know that there's little imperfections, and that's part of having a steel product or an iron product, okay? Let me flip this around, show you guys what the other side looks like. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Getty door. These are our glass push peats that we use. They're beveled. It locks the T end of the T-bar out. So if that's the T, it caps the other side in to actually lock the 2 pieces of glass in, or actually 4 pieces of glass in this case. Duplicated design on the interior side of it. All the boreholes, standard American standard boreholes. 2 3/4 back set, 5.5 from center to center. And it's a 2-inch thick door, okay? So that's what you need to know. All of our hinges have a grease fitting. This allows you to pump grease into it to have lubrication on it. The frame and the threshold is one piece. So you basically install the frame in, and then you take the doors, male and female hinges, and hang them back on, okay? And you just gotta make sure that it's leveled, plumbed, and the 2 doors are lined up in the center. That's pretty much it. And all of our doors, I can't open this door because they locked it, but they all have roller catches. It's this little thing right here. Basically locks the, if you watch any other door video, you'll see the roller catches I talk about. That prevents the lock, it helps the locks over time. It saves the locks a lot. And this isn't one door that we're actually making, it's a double door. We're making it with a 1-inch frame. And that allows you to get a larger door in. Because it doesn't have glass that operates, it's lighter, and we're able to do this. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys on the next one. Hi everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our Getty full arch door showcase today. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondors.com, or you could call us 844-843-6677, or you can leave some comments. We'll try to get them answered as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one.